in the heart of the Amazon, where the world's mightiest river weaves through an emerald tapestry of life, a titan reigns. This is the realm of the Anaconda, a serpent of legend and a master of the aquatic domain. Here, beneath the dense canopy in the murky, life-giving waters, unfolds a story of power, adaptation, and survival. Lurking within these labyrinthine waterways is a creature of immense scale and strength. The Anaconda, with its dark green skin adorned by black ovoid patterns, is a spectacle of evolutionary perfection. Its body, a thick column of muscle, moves with a surprising grace through the water, its primary kingdom. The scales, shimmering and slick, reduce friction, allowing it to glide almost frictionlessly through its environment. This is not just a snake. It is a living, breathing embodiment of the river itself, a creature shaped by the currents and depths it calls home. As a supreme aquatic hunter, the anaconda's strategy is one of patience and explosive power. It often lies in wait, submerged with only its eyes and nostrils breaking the surface, a near-invisible predator. From this vantage point, it watches the riverbank, a stage where unsuspecting prey like capybaras, deer, or even caimans come to quench their thirst. From the anaconda's perspective, the world is a series of vibrations and movements on the water's surface. Then, with breathtaking speed, it strikes. The ambush is a sudden, violent swirl of water and muscle, a testament to its lethal efficiency. The anaconda's presence is fundamental to the health of its water ecosystem. As an apex predator, it maintains the balance, regulating the populations of various species. Underwater, it is a formidable force, navigating among fish and other aquatic life with an air of authority. Its powerful jaws, equipped with backward curving teeth, are designed not for chewing, but for gripping, holding its prey fast while its legendary constricting coils do their work. This act of constriction is a display of raw, suffocating power, ensuring its place at the very top of the food chain and shaping the dynamics of life and death in the Amazon's waters. Survival in this ever-changing world requires remarkable adaptations. The anaconda is a master of camouflage, its patterned skin blending seamlessly with the dappled light and murky detritus of the riverbed. It periodically sheds its skin to grow and rid itself of parasites, a renewal that leaves it vibrant and strong. It can hold its breath for extended periods, allowing it to remain hidden or pursue prey underwater. Basking on a sun-drenched riverbank is not an act of leisure, but a vital process for thermoregulation, gathering the energy needed for the next hunt in its cool, aquatic environment. Yet, even this mighty serpent faces existential threats. The relentless advance of deforestation shrinks its habitat, while pollution from mining and agriculture poisons the very waters it depends on. These human-induced pressures are pushing the anaconda and its entire ecosystem to the brink. The stark contrast between a vast, untouched wetland teeming with life and a barren, deforested landscape highlights the urgent need for conservation. Protecting these habitats is not just about saving a single species. It is about preserving the intricate web of life that the anaconda represents. Ultimately, the anaconda remains a symbol of the untamed wild, the apex predator of the Amazon's aquatic world. As it observes its domain, a silent, powerful guardian, it commands respect and awe. With a final, fluid motion, it slips back into the dark water, disappearing from sight but never from its throne. Here, in the depths of the river, the legend continues, a timeless ruler in a world that must be protected. Deep within the labyrinthine waterways of the Amazon, where sunlight struggles to pierce the dense canopy, a colossal shadow glides silently beneath the surface. This is the realm of the anaconda, a serpent of immense size and power, a true master of the aquatic world. Its life is a testament to perfect adaptation, a story written not on land, but in the murky, life-giving waters that define its existence. From the winding rivers to the flooded forests, this is a journey into the life of one of nature's most formidable predators, an existence shaped by the currents and depths of its watery home. Engineered for a life half submerged, the anaconda's body is a marvel of evolutionary design. Its eyes and nostrils are positioned high on its head, a strategic placement that allows it to see and breathe while the rest of its massive frame remains hidden beneath the water's surface. This periscope-like advantage turns the river itself into a cloak of invisibility. Its skin, a mosaic of dark green and black ovoid patterns, provides flawless camouflage against the dappled light and decaying vegetation of the riverbed. Every scale, every muscle is fine-tuned for aquatic locomotion, enabling it to move with a surprising grace and efficiency, a silent torpedo in the water. Patience is the anaconda's greatest weapon, and the water's edge is its chosen hunting ground. Here it becomes one with the environment, a living log, or a submerged shadow, utterly still for hours or even days. Its strategy is one of pure ambush. Unsuspecting prey, like a capybara venturing for a drink or a young caiman patrolling the shallows, approaches the water, oblivious to the imminent danger lurking just inches away. The anaconda waits for the perfect moment, a calculation of distance and opportunity. When that moment arrives, it explodes from the water with breathtaking speed and precision, a blur of muscle and predatory instinct. The strike is merely the beginning. The anaconda's true power lies in its legendary method of constriction. Once its jaws, armed with recurved teeth, secure a grip, the snake's immense body coils around its victim in a devastating embrace. This is not an act of crushing bones, but a methodical application of pressure that suffocates its prey, cutting off blood flow to the brain and vital organs. With each exhalation of the captured animal, the snake tightens its grip, a slow-motion display of raw, muscular power that leaves no room for escape. The force exerted is immense, a testament to the snake's incredible physical strength. As an apex predator, the anaconda plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of its ecosystem. Its diet is as varied as the Amazonian fauna itself, encompassing a wide range of animals that come to the water, including fish, birds, turtles, and even large mammals like deer and tapirs. By preying on the strong and the weak alike, the anaconda regulates animal populations, preventing any single species from becoming overly dominant and ensuring the vitality of the food web. It is a keystone species, a powerful force whose presence or absence sends ripples throughout the entire aquatic environment. Following the anaconda as it navigates its domain reveals a world of intricate beauty and hidden life. It glides effortlessly through submerged tree roots, its body weaving through a tapestry of aquatic plants and silty riverbeds. This underwater kingdom is its sanctuary, its hunting ground, and its home. The anaconda is not just a visitor to the water, it is an intrinsic part of it, a living embodiment of the river's power and mystery. Its silent, serpentine form moving through the depths is a profound reminder of the untamed and powerful forces that continue to shape the wild heart of the Amazon. Within the labyrinthine waterways of the Amazon, a silent giant reigns. For this colossal serpent, the world is not merely seen, but tasted and felt in a symphony of sensory information, far beyond our own comprehension. A forked tongue, a delicate instrument of perception, darts through the air, gathering chemical cues from its surroundings. Each flicker delivers a story to the Jacobson's organ, painting a detailed picture of what lies hidden in the dense undergrowth. But sight, as we know it, is secondary. The anaconda possesses a more primal vision. Lined along its jaw are a series of heat-sensing pits, organs that detect the faintest infrared radiation. To the anaconda, a warm-blooded capybara or deer doesn't just appear. It glows like a beacon in the cool, dark jungle, a thermal signature that betrays its every move. This allows the snake to strike with pinpoint accuracy, even in complete darkness, transforming the world into a landscape of heat and cold, hunter and hunted. Life as a top predator is a cycle of extreme action and profound stillness. After securing a substantial meal, a feat of incredible strength and patience, the anaconda enters a prolonged state of digestive lethargy. It might lie motionless for weeks or even months on a sun-drenched riverbank, its massive body housing the slow process of breaking down its prize. As the environment shifts from the wet season to the dry, the snake embraces another form of inactivity known as brumation. Unlike hibernation, this is a semi-dormant state where the anaconda conserves energy, often retreating into muddy burrows or submerged hollows. A time lapse would reveal a creature almost frozen in time, its metabolism slowed to a crawl, patiently waiting for the life-giving rains to return and replenish its domain, signaling the start of another hunting and mating season. The anaconda's presence sends ripples of caution throughout its ecosystem. Its sheer size and power command a wide berth from most of the jungle's inhabitants. Caimans, tapirs, and even jaguars, themselves formidable predators, will often yield their path, aware that a confrontation with this aquatic titan is a gamble few can afford to take. The water's edge becomes a zone of heightened alert where smaller animals drink with nervous haste. Yet, not all creatures view the snake with fear. Many bird species seem to understand the anaconda's current state. They will perch calmly on branches mere feet from a digesting or resting serpent, seemingly aware that the slow-moving giant poses no immediate threat. This delicate balance of fear and indifference illustrates the intricate web of relationships that define this complex environment. For centuries, the anaconda has been a creature of myth, a monstrous leviathan of folklore that has slithered from the depths of the Amazon into the heart of human imagination. Legends and Hollywood films depict them as relentless man-eaters, impossibly large and aggressively hunting humans through the jungle. The reality, however, is far less sensational but no less impressive. While anacondas are certainly capable of consuming large prey, authenticated attacks on humans are exceedingly rare. They are ambush predators, not vindictive monsters, and their behavior is driven by instinct and opportunity, not malice. These snakes are apex predators, yes, but they are also a crucial reclusive part of their environment, a powerful force of nature that prefers to be left undisturbed. The future of this magnificent reptile is inextricably linked to the health of its vast watery home. The sprawling wetlands, serpentine rivers, and flooded forests of South America are not just a backdrop, but the very foundation of the anaconda's existence. As these habitats face increasing threats from deforestation, pollution, and climate change, so too does the anaconda. Conservation scientists are now on the front lines, venturing into these remote territories to study the snake's behavior, population dynamics, and genetic health. By tracking these elusive giants and working to protect their complex aquatic ecosystems, they are striving to ensure that the true king of the Amazon continues to thrive, a living testament to the wild, untamed spirit of the world's greatest rainforest.